Welcome back, friends. So today I'm going to do my first of 3 advent calendar unboxings. The other ones aren't here yet, but when they get here, I will unbox them. So this one is called Starlight Dreams, and it is by Scribbles by Starlight. So this is somebody that I just happened to run across on YouTube. I had never followed her before or seen any of her stuff before, but I was searching for advent calendars because I wanted to order some advent calendars for you guys this year so that we could take a look at some of what's out there. So I was only able to get my hands on 3 of them. The other 2 advent calendars are not here yet, so I will unbox them when they get here. But spoiler alert, I am going to unbox all 24 envelopes. So this particular girl, she is so funny. So when I ran across her, she was unboxing her advent calendar, and she was so excited and so nervous that I felt like she was like my little kindred spirit. So I felt like I really just needed to order one and give her a shout out and show her to you guys so that you can see what she's got in here. It's so stinking cute, and she's a very sweet lady, and she is from the UK, so shipping wasn't bad at all. It was actually very reasonable. The kit's very reasonable. Yeah, so I will leave everything linked down below so that you can find it. Super easy to get, and hopefully she still has some available, but if she doesn't, she has other stinking adorable things in her shop, so give her a follow. She's on YouTube. I'll see if I can link her YouTube channel down below as well. Let me get all these envelopes all sorted out. I did have to do a voiceover because the dogs would not stop barking. Amazon came, ruined the whole unboxing, but that's okay. I don't mind. I can do this as a voiceover. It's all good. So I'm just going to take everything, kind of put it away, and try to sort out my little mess here so that I can find day 1 and make it not so difficult to find all the days. And look at how cute all these envelopes are, and they have these adorable little numbers on each one, making it very easy. This is a personalized kit, so you do have to put your name in the notes to the seller so that she can personalize a couple of the things that are in here. And this one is kind of like it's like a dreamy, kind of almost self-care type of a kit, I guess. That's the best way that I can explain it, but let's just jump right in. We're going to do this very quickly because I'm just going to run through all of these, and we're going to start with number 1. So this one is a stinking adorable page. This is a year end like review. So if you have a journal, or you could do this in your planner, it doesn't matter where you want to do it, but basically it gives you like what's your best memory from the year, your biggest challenge, most embarrassing moment, your favorite book of the year, biggest achievement. It's got a nice big 2023 that you can put on there, so you can do like a whole journaling spread with all of this in there, and it's going to be stinking adorable. So I really love this page, and this is her little character. Forgive me, I can't remember the character's name, but she has, I think, 4 different characters, and this is like kind of like her little puffy marshmallow looking character, and it's adorable. Next up, we're going to find number 2, which is in this smaller envelope, and this whole entire thing matches. So everything in here is called Starlight Dreams, so you're going to get stuff that's all within the color palette of this thing. So every single one of these 24 envelopes all go together. So got some days of the week in kit colors. I'm going to kind of make a little pile off to the side so that I can take a picture at the end. Number 3 is another smaller envelope, and this one has, oh yeah, this one has, I can't even remember now. I just unboxed it and had to redo the voiceover, and I can't even remember what was in each one of these. So 2 of these are just plain, and then the other 2 have like that hollow overlay with the little star sparkly things on them. Super cute and perfect for my Aura Estelles, which are supposedly coming. I'm still waiting. They were supposed to ship back in October. It is now almost mid-November, and they're still not shipping. So I did get an email from them saying that they are in and they're starting the shipping process, but I haven't gotten notification of any shipping yet. Number 4. So in number 4 is the start of the kit. So this has got several pages to a kit, and these are the first 2 pages that you open. So you've got all your numbers, your date dots, some of your checklists, some dividers. You've got some trackers at the bottom, some flags, half boxes, and quarter boxes, a couple little deco pieces, not deco, icons at the bottom. So super cute. And then we are on to the next one as soon as I figure out where it is. So like I said, this shop is in the UK, Essex, I believe I saw that on the envelope. So listening to her do her unboxings, I love listening to English accents. So here we have some scripts with the to-do, today, plan, and meals. I can use all of these, and it's in the same font as the rest of the kit. So everything matchy match. And then our next envelope, I just have to get my stuff together here because everything's a little bit out of order. She didn't do that. I did. When I pulled it out, like, I just made a giant mess. Oh yeah, these are so cute. Unfortunately, they are, they have that hollow overlay, so I have to like find a place where it's not glaring at you. But there's a winter one, there's a spring one. These are gonna look so cute in my setup. Spring has sprung. I'm trying to get it so you can see it without the glare. Summer state of mind. Oh, love that in the pool. And then this one's obviously my favorite because autumn's my favorite time of year. Autumn leaves are falling and I love that. And then next up we have a big envelope, number 7. Even the colors of the envelopes match the kit. So in here we have a bunch of vellum, and there's kind of like, if you noticed on that first page that I showed you, the first part of the kit, I believe that she hand draws all of her backgrounds as well. So this is kind of like almost like a dreamy, cloudy, kit colors cloud formation kind of a page, and it is like a thin vellum, so good for like tearing and putting behind stuff if you want to layer things. And then you've got some paint swishes or swatches or however you want to put it, but this is in like a lighter blue. And then the last one is adorable with these little light bulbs. If you later on you'll see with the main kit pages how stinking adorable those little light bulbs are, but you can like put stuff inside of the light bulbs if you wanted to, like she does later on, you'll see. But it's got the stars and the clouds, the little light bulbs, super cute. And then number 8, oh yeah, this is one of my favorite things because I hardly ever see anybody do date dots this small. So you can totally use these both in like a Hobonichi cousin, on top of, you know, they fit in anything, but they are small enough to use in a week. So I have my Hobonichi weeks, and it is like damn near impossible to find date dots that are small enough for Hobonichi weeks. And then you have all of your months, and it's in that puffy writing with the same, and the background, it was hard to see in this, but the background is that same pattern that you're seeing throughout the whole thing. Number 9 is some washi pages. So this is that washi paper, and you've got this one is the spring and the winter one. I love the little paper swatches there that you can rip. Number 10. Sorry, I got distracted by my printer. It's making a funny noise. Anytime your printer makes a funny noise, it's not a good thing, especially when you're printing out as much crap as I'm printing right now. So Scribbles by Starlight, my 100. This is adorable. I'm going to leave it up here for a second so that you can read it, but this is like basically doing another journaling thing, and there's 100 of these little stars, so you can either use them in my 100 or you can use them as date dots, whatever makes you happy. Monthly stickers would be cute too. And then number 11. More days of the week in the kit colors. Always, always, always useful. I don't know if you can hear that printer in the background. It's being very loud. Hopefully I can get that to drown out before when I go through and edit the audio. Oh, this is a fun page. So this page has some empty boxes that you can fill in. It's got all your like today, to do, work, school, all that kind of stuff. Happy Mail, little bits and pieces everywhere. And then look at how cute this is. So you can see there's light bulbs there, and they have like little characters sleeping in them. It's so adorable. Love that. Next up is number 13. I tried to run through this as quickly as I possibly could. Oh, this is one of my favorite things in here. So I love these little page markers. I think I've gotten some from Coco Daisy, a few of them, but they're not quite like this. They're a little bit smaller. But one of the things that I wanted to do with this, that I think I'm going to do for sure with this, is I'm going to decorate the little piece in the middle that goes on the page. I'll show you right now because I'm going to grab my journal and I'm going to show you what they look like on the journal. But you just kind of pop them open, so they have like a little bit of, they're kind of held together with like little bits, and it's super easy to pop them open. But you've got like a to-do, and you've got a today, and you've got a notes, a week, and a month one. So I'm going to grab my journal right now and show you how to put them on the page, and I'll show you where I'm going to decorate because I think it's going to look super cute in my new. So I did get a hobo, not hobo, I always say hobo. I did get an Aura Estelle Weeks and an Aura Estelle Cousin size, like A5 size. So I'm like struggling, like really struggling with this, but once you get it on there, that's not difficult to put on. It's me fumbling around, but this is what it looks like. But you see that, like that part on the front right there? I'm going to put it on that way so that I can decorate that right there, because I think it's stinking adorable and it's going to look so cute inside. But I have a Weeks and a cousin coming, so I've got a couple things to decorate with those. Next up is my number 14. So this one has actual paper. So this isn't vellum, this is paper that she's had printed. So you can, again, use this to decorate your journal. Or you could use it to cover if you wanted to cover up. Like if you had, I don't know if you've ever seen Coco Daisy, but they have those dories, the Daisy dories. This would totally cover up a Daisy dory and be adorable. And then you could decorate the cover any way you wanted. Or pretty much any of the journals if you wanted to cover them up. You could almost do it like remember when you were a kid in school? Well, you probably, if you're young and you're watching this, you won't remember this, but we had to cover our books. So we used to use paper bags from the grocery store to cover our books, and then we would like doodle all over them. So they were covered in all kinds of goodness. Lots of Lisa Frank. Lots and lots of Lisa Frank. So next up we have some quotes, those little vinyl quote stickers that you can use. Pull those out. And then, so you've got grown-up fun facts. I don't make a mess. I have ideas everywhere. That's me. I have ideas everywhere. All the planning, none of the execution. And champagne taste with a lemonade budget. That's me. Yeah, that was me at Universal Studios. I kept grabbing things to buy. My husband was like, "Can you stop, please?" But I didn't. I bought it. I bought it all. Got all the things. I even got a robe. Finally got a robe. 2 more of the washi pages. This is the summer one, and then my favorite one, the autumn one. How cute is that stupid little hedgehog? It's adorable. Number 17. This one's a big one. It's kind of bulky. Oh yeah, this one has a gigantic notepad with this little character. And then you got a gel pen. It's got the little red thing on the end that you got to take off, but it's pretty yellow. There's that one. Then next up is totally out of order again, number 18. Oh, more vellum. So this is a really pretty blue. Looks like clouds, and then the blue swatches that same dark blue color, which is stinking adorable. And then you have some moons and some stars, all hand drawn on the last one. This one's easier to see if you open it up, but there you go. Cute, cute, cute. Next up is number 19, which is a smaller one. Oh yeah, this one has icon sheets in it. So you've got one where she's planning, so you've got her at her planning desk, and then you've got one with this little teddy bear, and it looks like he's working, and then you've got this little marshmallow looking character, and then you got a birthday one with all like the my birthdays and then the birthday scripts at the bottom. And then number 20. 20 has a couple things in it, but word of the year, totally going to use that. So here's my little word of the year one, which is going to go in my planner. I think that's my favorite character. I don't know. I just like those little marshmallow characters. And then you've got a whole alpha sheet. 21. Oh yeah, here's the front of the kit. So 9 full boxes with all of this stinking adorable artwork on it. And then you got your washi and your date covers. A couple of things of washi and date covers. We got one there, but you got a ton of date covers inside of this kit. And then number 22 is the little one. This is my favorite. So this is why you have to give her your name, because she makes you a little planner. This planner belongs to with your name on it. Dawn's planner. Isn't that cute? I love that. Going right in the front of the cousin look-alike. And then we have number 23. We're almost to the end. 2024 goals. Another fun thing. And then this is a goals sheet. So this is a whole sheet, but it is kiss cut, so you can take it off and then fill it in. And it's a great place to put like your 2024 goals. And then the very last thing in here, number 24 is, this is the journaling kit. So this has like ripped, torn little edges, Monday through Sunday, and deco, paint swatches, all that kind of stuff. So here's a cute little journaling kit. Good for those daily pages in your hobo cousin. And that is everything that is in this kit. So if you love this kit, if you love this artwork, I honestly have no idea. I probably should look before I started doing this voiceover. I'm not sure if she has any of these left or not, but you can kind of tell her art style. It's hand-drawn. She does really cute stuff. It's adorable. And then just for just to show you everything that came in this, because I know I ran through it pretty fast, I'm just going to kind of pull everything in and show you. And it's funny too, because like some of the really big companies that are doing like advent calendars, I watched this one channel on YouTube where she does like all the big companies like Lush and stuff like that. And you know what, their advent calendars are not half as good as some of these small shops. So I totally want to support the small shops. I wish I could have found more to order from this year so that I can show you and kind of highlight some of the newer smaller shops so that you can find some to support this year with the advent calendars. Unfortunately, I only found 3, and one of them is not such a small shop, not a super small shop, but I really wanted it. I think I have a Harriet Wright. Oh, I have Some Little Things Is Coming. So I've only got 3 of them, but I think they're 3 really good ones for you to take a look at. But look at how much stuff you get in this. It is so stinking adorable. And like I said, it's all hand drawn, and she's just so fun to watch. So she has, like I said, she's got a YouTube channel. So she's like playing with me. She's got a shed that she's freezing her little butt off out in. So when she's out in her shed, and because she's in Essex in London, so they have seasons just like up north in the United States. So it's always like freezing cold. But I will leave her YouTube channel link below. She's a fun one to watch. And this is everything that came in this advent calendar. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.